Right for this morning. So today is 2nd of July 2019. We are now live for CLQ contract 2019. So at this moment, we are just entering US sessions. So the volume came in, so we can find quite an uh, healthy volume waiting here, which is much more lower. So they are waiting at 50.00. So at this moment, I'm still waiting for the first signal to appear at the beginning of US session. So it means with 8 a.m. in New York time. So could be there should be some opportunity. So let's wait and see. So by the way, please subscribe this channel and like and comment whatever you like. So there's also link in the description below, which will be very helpful for you guys who are searching for the good technique and also strategy in trading crude oil market. So as you can see, yesterday was a good one. We have managed to secure some profit of 334 gross, and yeah, it was a good one on the first day. It was very quick, in within 8 minutes. So let's wait and see today whether we can manage to get a quickie one. That's the main target for US session. So we will scalp uh, in a short period of time. So by the way, I'm using TF15 time frame 15 minutes for this trading and strategy. Okay, still not clearly the direction. So there's a large volume also waiting mostly on the bottom side, but not that high. So we can see on the 57.96 got 120, 122, and also 58.00, 135. Here 136. So this is where the possible there's a possibility for the market to go to this direction for a while. Maybe could be a reversal tonight. Okay, so let's wait and see, because we have seen the structure like this. Could be a stronger pullback, maybe. So let's wait and see. Right, traders. So far we found only one entry. Oh, sorry, only one signal, which is appear at on the bullish side. So we have been 30 minutes entering US sessions based on New York 8 a.m. in the morning. So the buy entry we just received is at 58.44, which is almost 80 ticks different from current price, which is very far away. And we have to wait some more, maybe another 15 minutes or 10 minutes time. There will be another signal for the market to be react. So at this moment, just received this bullish signal, but due to the condition that the price is too far, which is around 80 ticks, so it's not really encouraging signal actually. So I will wait for another 10 minutes to get or to wait for the new signal, if any. So by the way, please subscribe this video. Sorry, please subscribe this channel for future live video, which I will upload on daily basis whenever I have enough time to record and react on the market at the same time. So the volume also looks not really interesting at this moment. Maybe they are waiting as well. There's a huge drop during London session. So if you follow my Telegram for London session live signal, you should have made profit around 340 US dollar. I also include this Telegram link in the description below. Looks very interesting at this moment. So you can see there's a large volume waiting on the bottom side of the market. I'm still not sure at 57.28 or now start moving. So another high level of Q at 57.15, 57.10. Yep, it's quite interesting. So which means there's a high possibility for the market to go to 57.00. Okay, we are now 42 minutes after US session begin. US session in terms of 8 a.m. New York time. Still do not receive any signal yet. Only one signal, which is on the higher side at 58.44. I'm still looking. I'm still waiting. Perhaps in the next 50 minutes. Although this is very uncommon because normally the market will trigger at the beginning of US session. Okay guys, new update. So there's another signal appear at 58.88, which is 57.88. So this is the new signal we received at this moment. So it doesn't look good, but still far away from now current price, which is 57.11. We are now around 77 ticks away from the entry signal, which is I doubt it will be triggered. So we are now 1 hour after the US session begins, so still waiting and still hoping for an entry signal, and only buy signal we have received so far. There's two just now, 58.40, 57.88. Those two signal just appear a few minutes ago. I'm still waiting. Maybe in next 7 minutes we have another direction. So there's a quite interesting volume waiting at the lower price below 57. Could be tonight. There will be a major sell down. So let's see. Just as I thought, the market did move below 57.00. So now it's 57.96. Sorry, 56.96. So still there is a large volume waiting at 56.76. I'm still clueless why the market keep moving downwards without any signal. Am I miss something? Yeah, it's quite interesting. You can see there's a large volume here waiting to buy, which means the market might go to this area, and this is very interesting. Okay guys, I just enter a short sell at 56.93, and within a few seconds we already exit with profit. So I have made a profit around 400 US dollar if I'm not mistaken within a few seconds. So let's take a look on my activity log here. Okay, I entered at 11:15, 13 seconds, and exit at 11:16, 24 seconds. So around 1 minute, I already closed my position. So this is 1 minute time. So the total profit for this position. Sorry, I couldn't record it live because it was too fast for me to catch up. I just entered the market, and suddenly the price hit for entry, short sell, and then hit the TP. Yes, total today 720, but the one I enter during US session scalping for that 1 minute is around, I think 400 plus, because I enter at 93, which is somewhere here. You can see this red line, and then I exit at 60. Let's take a look. I think 68 or 67, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a quick 67 to 87.20, and plus 6 is 26, so 520 US dollar profit for about 1 minute. Okay, so this is the proof. 1 minute trading, I did earn for 2 lots positions 520 US dollar. It was a good trade. So average price is 56.95 just now, because maybe slippage. And then I exit at 11.16. Quite interesting, but still a profit. So for today, 700, including some scalping beforehand. But during US session, this is my entry. So you can see a small triangle here, the red one, and the green triangle where I did scalp. So market did try to reverse back. So I think that's enough for me. 500 within 1 minute is quite impressive. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel and like, comment, or anything you like. So there's also link in the descriptions, might be helpful for you guys. So maybe in futures I will also include online training course for this setup, which is I invented a few years ago. Only now it's become matured and can be fully tested. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.